In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can unlike all your liked posts on TikTok. Now, I know that a lot of people have like thousands of posts and you can just unlike one by one, but because it will take forever. So what you want to do, guys, to solve this problem, as you can see here, when I click on my liked posts, as you can see, I have a lot of posts. I have liked a lot of posts. Now, how you can unlike all these posts? I'm gonna be showing you guys the best way. Now, if you just want to hide it, like you don't want other people to see your liked posts, you can do that. But if that's not the case, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlike all these liked posts by following the steps in this video. Now, if you just want to make it private, now nobody will click here. Even if they click, they won't see any liked posts here. Click on three little lines at the top right, and then click on settings and privacy, and then click on privacy. And then scroll down a little bit and click on liked videos and set it to only me. So if you select only me, nobody will be able to see your liked posts on TikTok. Now you can just have a peace of mind, like nobody will be able to see your liked posts. If you just want to hide all these posts, you can there are two methods to unlike all these TikTok videos. But it will take time. Okay, now the first method, guys, is to click on the video and remove the like, but you can do that if you have like thousands of likes. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to click on three little lines in the top right and then click on settings and privacy. Scroll down a little bit and click on report a problem. After that, guys, you want to scroll down at the very bottom. Okay, at the very bottom, I don't know why this is taking so long. Yeah, at the very bottom, you want to click on submit a report. Scroll down and click on submit a report. After that, guys, you want to just tell TikTok here, you want to type here, hi TikTok, I would like to unlike all my liked videos on TikTok, on my TikTok account. Now that's all you need to do, guys, and you will give you a solution within 24 hours. I know that you don't want to wait 24 hours. There are other methods to solve this problem. If you don't want to wait 24 hours, TikTok will get back to you and they will tell you what to do. Now, if you don't want to wait 24 hours, all you have to do, guys, the first thing you need to do is to click like on this video, drop a like on this video, and the second thing, click the video in the screen, and you will be able to unlike all the videos at once using the app. Okay, I can just recommend that app on my channel because